Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 474, find missing elements. So in this problem you are given an integer array nums consisting of unique integers. Originally nums contain every integer within a certain range. However, some integers might have gone missing from the array. The smallest and the largest integers of the original range are still present in nums. Alright, so we have to return a sorted list of all the missing integers in this range, and if no integers are missing, then we have to return an empty list, right? So here if you see this example number 1, so largest element is 5 and smallest element is 1, right? So this is the range that we need to check. So 1 after 2, 2 is here, 3 is not here, right? Okay, so I'm going to add this to list. 4 is here, then 5 is already there, right? So we have to just check in between these numbers, right? 2 3 4. So among 2 3 4 only 3 is not available, so 3 is my output. And these are the constants: nums dot length from 2 to 100 and nums of I value from 1 to 100, right? Here same way, in this just find the smallest number. Smallest is 7, largest is 9. Now in between we have to iterate over all the numbers. 8, then 6 is the smallest, right? 6 is the smallest, right? Then 7, 8, 9. So all the numbers are there, right? 6 is the smallest, 9 is the largest, 7 and 8 both are available, so we have to return an empty list. That's it. Here smallest is 1, largest is 5, right? So we have to check 2 3 4, right? So 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 4 is not there in my nums, so we have to return this as output. That's it, right? So very simple, right? So now you guys can give it a try. I'm moving to the solution part, right? So here what I'm doing, I'm taking two variables, min and max, right? Because in this range I have to check, right? Here I'm creating one set. So here I'm iterating over all the elements in my num array using enhanced for loop, and I'm adding all the elements in set so that I can easily search whether this element is there in my array or not. And here I'm finding the min and max element side by side, right? So once I find min, max, and I have added all the elements in set, then I'm going to collect the missing element. So for that purpose, I'm going to create one list of integer array list named missing, and from min to max I'm going to iterate, and here I'm going to check if my set contains that particular I value, right? And if it doesn't contain, then in the missing I'm going to add that I, and in the end I'm just going to return this missing array list, right? Because we have to return the answer in this, right, array list format. So I'm returning missing, right? So that's it. So here this is going to run for of and time complexity. This is going to run for or of max minus min time complexity, right? So overall time complexity for this problem is going to be of n plus of max minus min, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand question number 1 of weekly contest 474. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.